What? No! Why does everything cool happen without me?
Just look at her. Beauty, wisdom, and extreme talent all mixed together in our beloved tailor.
I didn't even know! I could have bought the tickets! Oh, maybe another time?
Oh, hi, Susie.
Sammy, is everything okay? You look so sad.
I found this poor thing nearby. She's seen better days, obviously. Do you think we can help her?
Yeah, this doll doesn't look too well, but I don't see any critical damage, so I'm sure we can give it a try. And I've just got a brilliant idea. What if we give her a Taylor Swift makeover?
I have only one question. What are we waiting for? Let's start with a bubble bath. Music can help anyone relax. I'm feeling better already.
And mood lighting is also a must when it comes to recreation.
Do you think she'll like my fashion magazine selection?
Oh, a good read will definitely get her in the right mood for a makeover.
Wow!
I've already taken all the necessary measurements. So, now, to the clothes making. Ha! I knew I took a sewing class last semester for a reason!
Wow, I didn't know that. Nice templates.
Hold your praise till you see the fabric I found.
Oh, it's so nice to the touch. And the size of this piece of fabric is just right. Good job, Sam! Now, let me secure the templates so they don't fall off while we're working with them. Friends, remember to watch your fingers when dealing with sharp objects.
Well, Dolly, are you ready for a good scrubbing?
You'll just love the smell of the shower gel we've prepared for you. It's strawberry marshmallow.
Yay!
And it will make your skin soft in no time. I promise, verified by Sue.
Alrighty, let's cut to the chase. Ugh, this stain won't come off.
I'm on it. See? You just have to scrub a little harder. Doesn't it feel good to wash off all that mess? Our doll will be as good as new in no time.
Wow!
Let's get you dry off. Quick, we don't want you to catch a cold or something. Yeah, I know it tickles. Stay still.
Ha! Now we're talking.
Yay!
Okay, beautiful. You chill out here for a bit with a cup of herbal tea and we'll get back to making your clothing.
Aww!
So how do we put these two pieces together?
Easy, girl. Easy. Sue, our best workhorse is ready.
A workhorse? Seriously? And what's with the whole cowboy outfit thing? Is there something else that I didn't know about you, Sammy?
Come on, Sue. This is my Bessie. My family has been breeding them in Tibidaba for centuries.
Wow, that's new. I didn't even know there's such a thing as breeding sewing machines. Anyway, she's quite good at making even stitches.
Hey!
Oh, Sue, she's done with her tea. What do we do next?
Well, we can get started on the facials.
Yay!
What could be better for a doll makeover than a refreshing face mask? Only a mask with lots of white glue.
Wait, I know how to make it even better. Where was it? Aha! Pink glitter.
Sammy, you're right. This is just what we need.
Well, of course. My Aunt Tabitha always took a mask with these glitters to be extra sparkly.
Really? All right. Anyway, it takes a little time for the mask to do its job, so in the meantime, we'll get back to sewing. And here's a little something to relax your beautiful eyes.
Wow!
Let's get to the belt now. Taylor's shorts must definitely have it, right? Try not to poke your fingers with pins, friends. Now, a few quick stitches and the first pin comes out. A few more stitches and the second pin can be excused too.
So, how are we doing so far?
You know, I think you'd look good in these.
Not when they look like that.
That's why we're going to wrap the edge on the inside, like this. And secure everything with some more machine stitching. Now let's just put these edges together. And we've got some good-looking shorts.
Hey, where is that snoring coming from? Ah! A monster! Run!
Sammy, you scared her. Here, give me a sec. There you go.
Told you, extra sparkly.
Okay, the shorts will have Velcro here. It is more comfortable to put them on this way. But they kind of don't look quite Taylor Swift style. What are we missing?
I know exactly what will fix it. More glitter.
Let's see. Wow, you're right. Now the shorts do look just like they should. Let's move on.
It's time for your next beauty treatment, Dolly. You'll be amazed.
Didn't you want to say glazed?
I learned this technique while wandering in the mounts of Tibidaba.
Ah, now I get it. That's why you like chocolate so much. So you always have a chocolate bar or candy on you just in case you need to give someone a chocolate wrap massage. All right, here we go. I guess in this case, the more the better indeed. We better cover all your body in it. Sam said so.
I said too much. You wouldn't steal my secret massage technique, would you, Sue?
I solemnly swear to keep it to myself.
What about you? Would you steal my recipe, friends? All right then, here's the foil, Sue.
There you go. After this treatment, our Dolly is going to become a real sweetie.
Hey, Sue, it's time to start making a t-shirt already? Come on, or we won't make it in time.
Okay, for this step, I decided to use my old white t-shirt. Oh, we'll have to cut out the template for the sleeve twice. And just like that, all we need is ready.
Wait a minute. The sleeves are too long.
Oopsie, my bad. I'm gonna fix it now, no worries.
Hey, we could use the bottom of your t-shirt as a collar for that one.
Huh, that's very clever actually. Good thinking, Sammy. But this fabric can't be machine sewn, it's too stretchy.
That's not a problem at all. Follow me. I didn't think it would come to this, but you're gonna have to hand stitch it.
Okay, here it goes. This looks good already, isn't it?
How am I supposed to wake her up? Wake up, sleepyhead!
Sammy, she's supposed to be relaxed, not scared.
But that's the best way to wake Roger up.
Yeah, or you are just not good at waking people up at all. Anyway, it's time to take the foil off. Whoa, you look absolutely gorgeous. I should try chocolate wrap too.
I think I hit my head. Did we finish making that t-shirt?
Oh, that's right! Next up, the sleeves. We're going to saw them up to the whole thing in a blink of an eye.
Hey, Taylor's got a t-shirt with tucked-in sleeves.
Yep, we'll make them like this on our t-shirt too. Oh, I'm so tired of sewing. That's better. Now let's decide on the design. How about a quote?
I think I know what you're talking about, Sue, and I already got a pencil.
And thank you for that. It's always better to sketch the design first.
Black or red? That is the question. Duh!
Let's use both. Okay, here goes the writing. Let's see if you know this Taylor Swift's quote. Well, friends, do you recognize it? Well done.
But they don't know the coolest part yet.
With glitter, this outfit would be perfectly bright even for an onstage performance. Well, what do you say? Will our doll like it?
Of course, but she won't like her messy hair.
First, let's take a look at what we're working with. Well, there's nothing a little bit of styling can't fix.
Trust the top hairdresser, Sam, to give you a celebrity-worthy hairstyle. You can dip her hair in the water, Sue.
You got it. Now, let's give your hair a really good wash with this special shampoo. Wow, it smells really good too.
Let me see. Shiver me cheddars. That's what I was afraid would happen.
What? Is something wrong?
Hey.
Well, yeah. I wish I had hair like that.
But you won't be the same Sam we all know then.
Oh, you're right. I'm great and unique just like I am.
Now that's the attitude I like.
My inner artist tells me we need another color for her lips.
Whee!
And this one is just red enough. Here we go. Ah, that's what I was talking about.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I give you a doll makeover, Taylor Swift style. Hey, is it just me or we forgot an important detail?
Ladies, how do you like my new look?
That's right. Now, you really look just like Taylor Swift.
Wait. Don't start the concert without me. I've got the outfits. Wow! That was the best show I've ever seen! Can I get an autograph?
Bravo, Dolly. Taylor, you were amazing.
Yay!
Thanks for being with us today, friends. I hope you enjoyed this makeover as much as we did. See you soon!
Subscribe so you don't miss our new adventures. Bye-bye.